Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing about what is the difference between public company and private company. Before that, I will explain you what is company. So, a company is a legal entity which representing an association of people, whether natural, legal, or a mixture of both with a specific objective, and all the members of the company share a common purpose and they try to achieve the specific goal for the company. Company is divided into two parts, that is public company and the private company. So let's start with the difference between these two. First of all, what is public and private company? So, a public company is a company whose share can be subscribed by the member of public, or we can say those shares can be traded into the public, is known as public company. While private company is a company which own and traded privately, or we can say whose shares are not available for general public for trading purpose, is known as private company. Next difference is number of members. So in public company, the minimum number of member are 7 and there is no maximum limit. On other hand, private company has that limit up to 2 member only and the maximum member could be 200 only. Next is paid up capital. In public company, the minimum paid up capital is 5 lakh rupees and there is no maximum limit. And for private company, minimum paid up capital has kept 1 lakh and again there is a no maximum limit. Next is name of the company. So the public company name must end with public limited or limited word. For example, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, and Reliance Industry Limited, etc. These all are the public company because their names are end with the limited word. And the private company name must be end with the private limited. For example, Anand Automobile Private Limited, Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverage Private Limited, Mother Dairy Fruits and Vegetable Private Limited, etc. These all are the private company because their names are end up with the private limited word. Next difference is number of director. So in public company, the minimum number of directors to be appointed are 3. While in private company, the minimum number of director to be appointed are 2 and no independent director are required. Next difference is managerial remuneration. So in public company, the managerial remuneration is restricted to 11% of the net profit of the company. On other hand, there has no restriction for managerial remuneration in public company. Next one is legal attendance of meeting. If I talk about the legal attendance of the meeting for the public company, so 5 members present if on the date of meeting being held. And for the private company, minimum 2 members should be present in person. Next is public offer. Public company allow public offer, means general public can trade shares of public company, but the company should its shares in demat form only. While private company cannot offer its share to general public. And the last difference is transfer of share. As I explained earlier, the public company offer shares for subscription. That's why the transfer of share is free for its member. On other hand, the transfer of share is restricted in private company because it's not offer shares for subscription. Hope it's clear to all of you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, always learn with me.